I did finally put a catalytic converter on this car, and I was finally able to take off the check engine light. All I need now is that ATTS light, but that's a pretty expensive sensor. So right now I'm gonna go to Walmart and pick up a headlight restoration kit for the Prelude headlights. They are super yellow, and OEM headlights are super expensive, so I'm gonna just fix them myself. Okay. I also kind of want to change this headliner. It was cool at first, but I kind of grew tired of it. Kind of want a different one now, and I might color match all the trim pieces with it. Also, probably get one with like roses on it, maybe. Back setup on this car, so I'm just waiting to get the airlift, the 3P. Pretty much just need the management because I have the bags already, so whatever. Thank God for rain, right? God damn it. I wouldn't doubt that they don't have it. I'll just use McGuire's one right here. Kind of want to use the 3M one. I feel like the 3M one, I've seen like a lot of people use it, and to be honest, it looks like it does a better job than McGuire's one. Let me see. Looks like I'm gonna have to go with this one. Heavy duty. Sure. Comes with all this, then that'll be pretty cool. Let's go. Whew. How does this paint fuck up? Jesus. How can I get a... Everything that came with it. Got two little pads, a little polisher, there are two compounds, your little, so your hand doesn't get tired when you're sanding. I think I'm gonna just start. I don't think I'm gonna record the whole thing. I think I'm gonna show you right now, and then just show you after. Just look how yellow they look. Look disgusting. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start, and probably show you halfway. This is pretty much all I have done right now. Just masking off the lights. To be honest, I don't think I really had to because the paint on this car is so like bad. I am thinking of replacing it or like wrapping it or painting it. Still don't know. So this is what it looks like after hitting it with the 1000 little pad that they gave you. It's already looking pretty clearer. Not clearer, but like it's supposed to be frosty like that. You can see everything that comes off of it, all the gunk and shit. And then compared to the other yellow one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the 3000 one now and then see how it comes out. So this is after hitting it with the 3000 little pad, and it looks pretty great. I mean, if I turn over there, you could clearly see the yellow. Now I just gotta polish it and see how it comes out. So I polished half the light just cause my drill died, so I have to recharge it. But you could really see the difference in the little top area that I polished and the bottom frosty area still. So I think this is gonna look pretty damn new. So I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the drill charge, and then I think I'll just show you guys the finished product. It's pretty late now. I finished pretty late due to my drill being out of battery, so I had to wait for that to recharge. But after, let's say in total it was 2 hours of work, they came out pretty good. This is how they came out after the polish. I think they came out really nice compared to how they were before, and compared to spending like $300 for the new OEM headlights, I spent about 20 bucks, and wasn't really that much work. Did ruin my pants, but that's because of the polishing compound. But yeah, really happy with the result. Gonna end the video here. I'm super glad with how it came out, and don't really have much else to do. It's super late now, so I can't really go out anywhere or like do anything, meet anyone. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.